Hi guys, so welcome to LabMates again, and today your LabMate is Faith, and Faith is going to demonstrate to you one of the intermolecular forces experiments, and that is experiment 3, solubility. So for today's practical, we are going to try and dissolve 3 different substances in 3 different solvents. So Faith is now adding water to her vials, then ethanol, and finally chloroform. Those are 3 solvents. Then the first substance she's going to dissolve is iodine, and she's adding iodine to water, iodine to ethanol, and then iodine to chloroform. Watch carefully what happens. Does it dissolve? Does it not dissolve? You need to explain why, for instance, the iodine is not dissolving in the water. This has to do with like dissolves like. So if the one is polar and the one is non-polar, it won't dissolve. If both are polar or both are non-polar, it will dissolve. So look carefully. There's still some undissolved substance in the ethanol. So your second substance is sodium chloride. She's added it to water, again to ethanol, same salt, and then of course to chloroform. And then she's going to stir this. And you can clearly see the salt has dissolved in water. You know this already because you're always dissolving salt in water when you boil your pasta, for instance. So what happened in the ethanol? Did it dissolve? Did it not dissolve? What happened in the chloroform? If you look closely, we are going to show you now. So that's the water. The ethanol, I still see some salt. And the chloroform, I still see some salt. So the last substance is potassium permanganate. And wow, immediately when you add it to water, do you see that beautiful color change? When you add it to ethanol, it looks like not much is happening. And when you add it to chloroform, it also looks like not much is happening. When we stir, we can see it's very clearly soluble in water. In ethanol, it seems like it's soluble, but is it? And then, of course, in chloroform, you stir and stir and stir, it just settles at the bottom.